Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the new Kylie Skin Broad Spectrum SPF 40 Sunscreen, which is the newest Kylie Skin product that just came out. They do also have a sunscreen oil, which I have not tried. This is actually my first Kylie Skin purchase, and I actually did purchase this directly from their site, and I'm going to show you guys and unbox the box that I got in the mail so that you guys can see. I wasn't really interested in buying like the skincare stuff, but then when I saw that they had a invisible sunscreen, I was like super excited to try it, and I'm gonna talk about it and let you guys know my experience. So let's get started. It came in this cute little box, and I did have to purchase a headband because it's the cheapest item on their website, and I needed to buy something else in order to get free shipping because I am like obsessed with getting free shipping, and I would rather pay a little bit more just to get the stuff shipped for free versus having to pay an extra like $8 or whatever it is that they charge. So I ended up buying this cute little headband and the sunscreen, which was only $28. I was super excited to try this because it's a very good price range. I mean, it's only $28, which is not bad for a invisible sunscreen. There's a lot of different sunscreens out there. And then when I read that it was invisible and it was fragrance free and reef safe, I was like, okay, I have to buy this. It was only $28, so it wasn't that bad. It is also cruelty free and vegan, which is also a huge plus. So it did come with this cute little card, and I'm going to read to you guys what it says. So it says, wear alone or underneath makeup as a primer, protects against UVA and UVB rays. Oh my god, I hate reading out loud. Okay, try this again. Wear alone or underneath makeup as a primer, protect against UVA and UVB rays, colorless, ultra lightweight and silky to the touch, hydrates without feeling greasy, fragrance free, non-comedogenic, and reef safe. And then the little description says, our invisible broad spectrum SPF 30. Oh my god, I cannot. It's 40. It's 40. SPF 40 face sunscreen helps moisturize, smooth, and protect your face from UVA and UVB rays. Formulated with shea butter, kiwi seed oil, vitamin A, C, and E for added hydration without feeling greasy. This colorless formula is silky to the touch, ultra lightweight, and fragrance free. So again, with the pricing, basically it's $28 for 1.7 ounces, so it's a little bit bigger than a foundation. It's also paraben free, sulfate free, and it is dermatologist tested. I love squeeze bottles. I feel like it's the most hygienic way to use a product because you don't have to stick your hand in it like a jar, or even pumps, because you kind of have to hold pumps a certain way, and these you just squeeze it out. Like, I feel like it's so much easier. So I am 100% happy with the packaging on this, and the expiration date for it is April 2022, which is awesome. You basically have a little bit under 2 years with the product, which is amazing because if you're like me, it takes me forever to get through a skincare product. So you definitely don't want it to expire within like 6 months or something like that, because there's a lot of products that do that. But this one's actually a really good time frame that you can use it. You guys probably can't see this on the video, but it actually does have the printed expiration date on the bottle as well. Basically on their site, they're describing what the ingredients are, not obviously all of them, but they do talk about meadow foam estolide. I might be saying these completely wrong. It's like those weird names. Derived from meadow foam seed oil, a skin conditioner that helps adjust the hydration levels of the skin and provides significant moisturization. Shea butter, an exceptional moisturizer concentrated with natural fatty acids, Hymanthelia elongata extract. Don't judge me, I don't know. A natural extract often found in seaweed. It's known to provide high levels of vitamin A, C, and E along with essential amino acids and other natural minerals. Helps to restore balance to skin moisture levels. Laminaria hyperbora extract. I don't know. Derived from marine alga to help rejuvenate skin. I love the fact that they put ingredients on there and told you what the ingredients actually mean. Like, not a lot of companies do that. And I love that obviously it's not all the ingredients, but I love that they explained what they are. And obviously they're kind of just trying to sell you on the product, but it's a good tactic to inform your customers and to educate and to tell you about the ingredients that it actually has. And then again, it just says vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps hydrate skin. So it does have a bunch of hydrating ingredients, which is amazing for a sunscreen. If you do want to check out this product, I will put the link down in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you like it so far. Now let's talk about the formula. When I first opened it, I definitely put a lot on because I normally use a cream sunscreen or like a type of serum sunscreen, and I like to put it like all over my face and make sure I get make sure I get in there and get all the spots. That was a horrible idea. This is not a product that you would want to apply all over your face. The initial texture is really greasy, but then you get that weird silicone type of feeling after you apply it on. So it definitely feels thick and heavy on your skin. Maybe if you have dry skin, you would like this. It definitely has like that primer texture. If you ever tried the Benefit Poreless Primer, you know, that little blue one, if you ever tried that, it feels exactly like that. So imagine putting that all over your face. It just feels like this thick layer of silicone. It just sits on top of your skin. It does not get absorbed. I don't really like that feeling for myself, but it definitely feels more like a primer that you would put like on certain spots. So if I ever use the Benefit Poreless Primer, I usually just apply it where my pores are. So it sits on top, so it makes my skin a lot smoother. And this definitely does make your skin a lot smoother because essentially it is working as a primer, but it's also a sunscreen, so you want to put it all over your face. So I am a little confused on what they try to do with it. Like, is it supposed to be a sunscreen or is it a primer? You know, because I don't even want to put it on my neck because it just feels thick. It's definitely, as you can tell, it is a clear product and there's no color whatsoever. It doesn't have any fragrance, which is great. It does smell like sunscreen though, so fragrance free doesn't necessarily mean that it doesn't smell like anything. So I am pretty disappointed because I am running out of sunscreen and I wanted to try something different, but this one is not it for me. It also kept balling up on me, and it probably does have to do with my other skincare, which usually I would do a serum, moisturizer, and then I put my sunscreen on top. And this is something definitely that you want to apply before your makeup, so after your skincare routine. It kept balling up, so it maybe does have to do with the moisturizer that I'm using, but it was super annoying that it just wouldn't like go on smoothly and it just kept crumbling up. I did try it on my hand without anything and it didn't do that. So I'm gonna guess it's the mixture of my skincare, which kind of sucks because then now you have to go and buy other skincare that actually matches with the ingredients of this, so it won't do that, which is super irritating. It is mostly made of dimethicone, which is probably why I don't like it, and I didn't even think about that I mostly been using creams and serums. I was hoping that the formula would be a little more like watery. If you do want to try this product, I'm thinking maybe it would be good for dry skin and maybe your skin will be able to soak it up a little bit better because it wasn't great for me. If you have oily skin, you're gonna hate this product. It is so thick and greasy. It's weird because it feels super greasy when you're applying it, right? And then a little bit after it kind of mattifies. So it doesn't look oily, it just feels very heavy and oily. And it might not be the best for your skin type. Alright guys, so this video turned out to be a lot shorter than I expected. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will talk to you guys on the next one.